Hello traders, what's going on? In the previous lecture, I have discussed about the formation and basic characteristics of trading channel pattern on a price action chart. From this lecture on, we will learn a strong channel pattern, that is the ascending channel pattern. So in this lecture today, I will be talking to you about the formation and basic characteristics of ascending channel pattern. An ascending channel is a bullish continuation pattern where the price movement is contained between two parallel ascending trend lines. So let's start. Ascending channel pattern has two parallel trend lines that are sloping upward. In this case, the ascending lower line acts as a support and ascending upper line as resistance. In general, ascending lower line serves as main trend line. It should be at least two consecutive points forming higher low point to be connected. More points in the trend line indicate more strength in the pattern. The main trend line acts as a support in rising channel pattern on a price action chart. As you know that an ascending upper line as channel line. This is drawn in channel line. It should be at least two consecutive higher high points to be connected. More points indicate more validity. The channel line acts as a resistance in ascending channel pattern on a price action chart. The price is limited between the two trend lines until the price continues to advance and trade within the boundary of the channel. When price falls short of the resistance channel line, it signals an upcoming change in trend. A break below the support line provides further indication of trend change. The break above the resistance channel line indicates the continuation of bullish trend. In an ascending channel, you can taking a short position when the price breaks below the lower channel line of an ascending channel. On the other hand, taking a long position is a viable option when the price touches the lower trend line of the rising channel. You can place stop loss a little bit below the lower line to be on the safe side and avoid losses. Chances is high that price reverses in its direction. This is an uptrend market. Two trend lines are going parallel to upward direction. Rising channel are connected to higher low to act as a support level, and channel line are connected to higher high act as resistance level. Rising line and channel line, those are going to parallel with uptrend market. When price touch the support level and the price break below the lower channel line, then you can take in short position and set the stop loss at least 3 pips above the high of the higher high level, and then set the profit target at least 2 times of the size of stop loss. On the other hand, when price touch the resistance level and price break the upper channel line, then you can take in long position and set the stop loss at least 3 pips below the low of the higher lows, and set the profit target at least 2 times the size of stop loss. So not more today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.